Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to turn on mono audio for your Switch 2. So if for whatever reason you want to turn on the mono audio, I'll show you how to do it. And of course, to find the settings for mono audio, you're going to go ahead and go to system settings. Now you're going to go down, you're going to select accessibility, you're going to go down again. And what you can look for is the option here that says mono audio. Now do note mono audio is right there, so you can go ahead and turn on, and now you have mono audio. You can actually go back. All right, so just in case you want to turn it off, go back to accessibility, find the mono audio option and turn it off. All right, so that's gonna affect the audio quality, switching it over to mono. All right, so that's it guys, see you in the next one. Bye.